like the Honorable Prime Minister said, this is going to be the first budget in the second quarter of 21st century, which is up to 2050. Yes. In between, closer to 2050, is 2047 when Viksit Bharat will have to be achieved. So, our direction, our goal are all set. So, it was for us to, keeping in mind the global uncertainties, plan for 1 for this year, 2 for the entire finance commission cycle, and 3 leading up to Viksit Bharat, how do we want to take them? And that is why, slightly differently from every other budget, this time a lot more was said through Part B, right, which actually is unusual because it's not just the tax proposals taking us towards 2047.